So I'm here with some treats for the pigeons, but I saw someone already gave them bread, and that's a bad idea. Bread is not good for them. Brought some seeds. Try to get them to eat the seeds instead. Bread is not good. It doesn't provide what they need. So for long term, please feed them seeds. They are dependent on people because of our behaviors, but do not feed them bread. Especially white bread in all the time. So be a bird feeder, especially in the cold winter months. Pigeons are already dependent on people. Not a bird eater. Boom, 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 boom. Look up a factory farm video, Shell to Hell. Meat.org, meatvideo.com, where they're abused from birth to death. In sick factory farms, the egg industry grinds up baby male chicks. And the females have it worst, stuffed in tiny cruel cages after being debeaked over a day per egg, and when used up, killed. So give them some healthy seeds, not bread, which is not good for them. Here you go, little cuties. Here you go, little cutie. Nah, I'm not gonna feed them from the hand. That's not good either. Bird seed, not bird eater, bird feeder. Organic vegan. And child free, because human animals doubled in 50 years and killed off 69% of wildlife. Share if you care. Bye bye. Bye bye, little babies.